Hello, today we will guide you through how to wallet track and copy trade on Axiom Pro. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the basic flow for finding the wallet tracking area, adding a wallet, and locating the live trade section used for copy trading. This is a simple process, and once you know where each section lives, it becomes much easier to monitor activity and follow trades inside the platform. To begin, open Axiom and go to the Discover page for the Solana view. This is the starting point shown in the platform, and it's where you can access different tools and sections related to tracking and trading. If you're new to the layout, take a brief moment to look across the top navigation so you can get familiar with where everything is placed. Once you're on the Discover page, click on Trackers at the top of the screen. This takes you into the section specifically designed for wallet tracking. The Trackers area is where you can monitor wallet activity and manage the wallets you want to follow. If you ever need to return to this feature later, this is the main tab you'll use. After that, click on Import to add a wallet, or use the Add Wallet option if it appears in your view. This is the step where you bring a wallet into the tracker so Axiom can begin monitoring it. Make sure you're entering the correct wallet information before confirming, since accurate tracking depends on adding the right address. If you're testing the feature for the first time, it can be helpful to start with a known wallet so you can easily verify that activity appears as expected. Once the wallet has been added, click on Live Trades. This is the area you would use to copy trade based on the wallet activity being tracked. In this example, it's only being shown as a demo, but this is the section you would open to view trade activity in real time and follow along with trades when appropriate. Be careful when using copy trading features in a live environment, and make sure you understand what you're following before taking action. That's the full process for wallet tracking and accessing copy trade functionality on Axiom Pro. Start on the Discover page, open Trackers, import, or add the wallet, and then go to Live Trades. Once you've gone through it once, the process is quick and easy to repeat.